New HR director, fleet director, new board member, new managing director, new ship owner. Today we have the Baltic and the North wages, supply and demand, which obviously due to the tax up north and the southern electricity and energy spike, this war of Iran has made very expensive going up north, and really the costs and the fees up north, and the HR and the seafarers up north. We are talking about an AB, some companies already paying 4,500, 5,000 euros. Other companies are diversifying, going full Filipino, full Indian, but we see that also the Indian officers side, they're talking about 11,600 LPG Indian officer with 3 years experience rank, but those wages are really a utopia, because we can really find other solutions around the planet. But this video is just for you, new HR director or fleet manager or board or CEO. If you wish to have a benchmark about the Baltic and the North European costs, think about South Europe, because indeed inflation is growing much above the costs of HR in south of Europe, because the supply is very, very limited indeed. But still, there is many ways that we can have the RoRo, general cargo, cement carriers, tankers, bunkers, ferries, many different types, LPGs, LNGs of Spanish flag and Malta, Cyprus, even Panama, Bahama, and many other ways there are today to really fight this North and the Baltic huge explosion of costs. You see, the Baltic HR costs are very big because the shore taxes are like 70%, all included, same as in France. So here in Bilbao, in the Basque Country, we are very competitive regarding our fees. If up north, they're talking about the 15, 12%. Here, you can cut in half. Why? Because with economies of scale, the cost of living here is more competitive for the moment, even though the eggs went from 2 euros to 4 euros in the last 24 months, but still they are not like up north so expensive, and the vegetables and everything, the cost of living. So think about contacting Candina, because when the Baltic states came to European Union some years ago, then we thought, oh yeah, let's go east. But now the supply is south again. So contact us, because we have real solutions. In some cases, we have seen some budgets of small ships, middle ships, and also large ships. Let's say the budgets are about 50% higher up north. So think about the solutions. Obviously, the fastest that you, new director, HR manager, or fleet manager, or board member, or CEO, or managing director want to benchmark, the faster your company will have a competitive advantage, and the longer you will stay in your job. Thank you. Bye.